You better not put it online or I'll spill coffee on your phone. No!
I'm not gonna put it online.
It's a video!
You okay, Abby?
Ethan
Anthony.
Thank you. Wait, that's your. No. Give me back some. I only have a little.
You're gonna no. You're gonna spill it all over your pajamas.
Ow.
Yes, you are. Don't do it.
Mom, I only got
You shouldn't have poured it in her cup. Come
Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah, that won't work. Stupid cup. His eyes were like this. No, his eyes were like this.
Oh, sexy boyfriend!